Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's me, CJ, your runaway travel buddy. So, samahan niyo ako guys sa explore ang isa sa pinakamalaking syudad dito sa Manila, ang Quezon City. So, ano-ano nga bang meron ng Quezon City guys? Kasi, di ba, we always see Quezon City as malls, more on malls. But, I'm pretty sure magugustuhan niyo ang video na to. Kasi, in this video guys, I'll show you the beauty of Quezon City, restaurants, itinerary, parks, museums, and more. So tara, runaway tayo. So here's the commute guide guys on how to get there sa may Quezon City. So ang starting point namin is San Mateo, Rizal, and here's the fare kung dito rin kayo manggagaling. Since ever Commonwealth yung aming unang pupuntahan, then meron din namang from Cubao, ito yung fare. Then of course may mga terminal din sa Cubao guys na you may go para dun kayo sumakay going to Quezon City. Depende yan sa may first stop ninyo. Since ang first stop namin ay St. Peter Parish Church, so ever Commonwealth talaga ang una naming bababaan. So see you guys there. So we're here na guys at St. Peter Parish Church. Travel time is 53 minutes from San Mateo, Rizal. So magsisimba muna kami guys. So tara. St. Peter Parish Shrine of Leaders, one of the most well-known church located along Commonwealth Avenue in Quezon City. The atmosphere inside is calm and peaceful, while the surrounding area is active and busy, making it a meaningful place for prayer, reflection, and thanksgiving. This is St. Peter Parish Shrine of Leaders, a place open to everyone seeking faith, peace, and spiritual renewal. So, done na with the church guys. So, next stop, magla-lunch muna kami sa may Ever Commonwealth. So, tara. Ayan guys. So, dito sa may tapat ng Ever Commonwealth, since malapit na tayo. Ayan o. So, ayan yung terminal niya. Going SM Fairview. Yan, mga ganyan. Or Novaliches. Yes guys, touchdown, Ever Commonwealth. Hala, hindi ko nakalimutan ko din. Here. Dito. Jerry's Grill. Sus Coffee there. Yan. So maraming pangkainan dito sa may Calle Bistro guys. Hey guys, so na kami ngayon sa may St. Peter Parish Church. So nagsimba muna kami. So now, dito kami sa may Calle Bistro, sa may dulo. So dito kami ngayon kakain sa mesa. Yan. So waiting lang kami sa my order. While waiting for food sa ito na nyo guys. Yung iconic na box. So ganito. Yay! So nandito na yung food ka. Pakita ko sa'yo.
Edita niya.
Yes! Let's eat!
1 hour later.
Yeah, so done with the lunch guys. So punta naman tayo ngayon ng wildlife. Yan o, ito pong bridge na to. Yan. So dyan lang din kayo aakyat. Yan guys, so dito sa may bridge na to kayo dadaan. Tapos dun yung labas. Sakay ng jeep pa wildlife. So from here guys, dito kayo sasakay ng jeep. So ayan yung list ng mga signage na titignan nyo para yan yung sasakyan going to wildlife. Jeepney fare is 15 pesos. So yan, touchdown. So ito yung entrance guys, parking fee. And registration area. Ang ganda niya na versus nung huling punta ko dito, high school pa ako.
Ako college.
Oh, yan. Siya guys, year 2013 ako.
Alam niyo yung
Year
literature na
2020.
2025.
Last sa punta ko dito. Laki ng pinagbago niya. Ang ganda na.
Mine was 2025, I guess.
Wow! Siyang fresh! Like a virgin! Ah, ito yung ano na yung binig na. Ayan. Statue of Benigno Ninoy Aquino. Yan guys. So malawak na ngayon yung wildlife. Dati kasi guys hindi ganito yun eh. Talagang asin. Puro puno lang siya literal. Tapos pwede mag-picnic. Pero ngayon no. Yan. Wow. So guys, don't forget to bring an umbrella with you here. Kasi mainit dito. Extra t-shirt tsaka damit. Yan o. Boom.
Yeah, that's why I'm wearing white because it's hot here.
Yes.
Wear light color clothes.
Para mas presko.
You wanna see the brand of mine?
Who's that?
I'm not sure.
Wild Rescue Center. Yan. So, ito na yung iconic bridge niya. So that's it guys for the wildlife. So next stop na tayo. Yan. So ito yung exit guys. So yung exit.
Eh, pag marami pa
Yan.
pwedeng mag-take up yung business.
Ayan guys. So mula doon sa exit, lakarin nyo lang to. Yan. Hanggang sa may sakayan ito. Sakayan yan. Pero ayun na yung sa circle kasi. Ayun. So there guys, dito way yan. Yan guys, so dito yung magiging daan nyo pagka QC Memorial Park. Yan, then doon yung exit ito. Ganda, para siyang ano, yung sa Korea. Ayan o, parang Korea guys, yung style. Yan, dun kami galing guys. Tapos lulusot kayo dyan sa may baba. Dito yung labas. Yan, makakatawid na kayo guys. Kasi dito sa QC guys, sa QC, bawal yung tumatawid kung saan saan. Welcome to the Quezon Heritage House, one of the most important historical attractions in Quezon City. The house offers visitors a glimpse into the personal life of President Quezon and his family through original furniture, memorabilia, photographs, and household items. It was also in this house where Philippine Red Cross was founded, through the efforts of First Lady Aurora Aragon Quezon. Today, the Quezon Heritage House stands as a symbol of Philippine history, preserving the legacy of one of the nation's most respected leaders and allowing future generations to learn more about the country's past. Next stop guys, Bahay Modernismo. So tabi lang to ng Quezon Heritage House and may mga locker dito na pwede yung pag-iwanan ng gamit. Okay guys, so done na tayo with the Quezon Heritage House. Then done na rin sa may Bahay Modernismo. So next na tayo sa third museum. So lahat dito walking distance lang. Ayan. So dun banda yung Quezon Heritage House guys. Then lalakarin nyo lang siya dito. Ito na yung Bahay Modernismo. Yan. So tara, diretso na tayo guys for our next spot. So, ayun guys, bago kayo pumasok ng mga per museum dito, need nyo muna mag-register. Then, so far naman, free yung entrance fee dun sa may Quezon Heritage House and then dun sa may Bahay Modernismo. Then, bawal dito mag-video. Kaya kung makita nyo, more on picture lang ako na pwede ko may showcase. And then, konting ano lang, pasilet yun. Okay, so next stop na tayo. Okay guys, so andito na tayo ngayon sa may Presidential Car Museum. So this will be our 12 na museum na natin to guys. So yun. So let's see kung free din yung entrance fee niya, pero I guess it's free din. So mostly here are all free. Yan, so lakad lang din uli guys, lapit lang siya dito. So ito na siya. Iyan. Okay, so we're done guys with the Presidential Car Museum. So, ganun din, free yung entrance. So, wala kayong babayaran. So far, ang ganda dito sa QC guys. Napakaraming pwedeng puntahan na itinerary and spots for you to see the rich culture and history of Quezon City. So, yon. Then, head na tayo to our last stop dito sa museum. So, yun yung pinaka-exciting sa lahat. So, tara. So, next stop natin guys ay ang Peace Bell. So, babalik lang din uli kayo dito sa may Quezon City Memorial Circle. So, from Quezon Heritage House guys, walking distance lang din yung Peace Bell. So, mga nasa 2 minutes lang yon. Tapos, andito na rin yung Quezon Memorial Circle. So, pwede kayo dito mag-picnic. And marami rin kainan dito guys. So, ayun. Yun lang yun. Yung dinaanan natin kanina. Yun. Tapos ito yung landmark yung guys. Itong batong ito. Yan. Yun yung sa may Peace Bell. The Quezon City Peace Bell, often called the World Peace Bell, is a landmark inside the Quezon Memorial Circle. It is a large ceremonial bell installed in 1994 as a symbol of peace, friendship, and international unity. Yeah, so this is the Peace Bell. Yan guys, so from Peace Bell, ito na yung Quezon Memorial Shrine. So yan, isa sa mga pinaka-iconic landmarks dito sa may Quezon City. So ayun guys, ito na yung pinaka-exciting part. And dito rin ako mas na-excite. So yun, for the entrance fee, so free din siya. So let's go and explore the Quezon Memorial Shrine. Yan, tapos ito yung entrance niya guys. So guys, welcome to Quezon City. Welcome to the Quezon Memorial Shrine, the most iconic landmark in Quezon City. This national shrine was built in honor of President Manuel L. Quezon, the first president of the Philippine Commonwealth and the founder of Quezon City. Designed by architect Federico Ilustre, the monument stands 66 meters tall, representing Quezon's age at the time of his death. At the top are 3 mourning angels holding sampaguita wreaths, symbolizing the 3 major island groups of the Philippines: Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. The shrine also serves as the final resting place of President Quezon and his wife Aurora Quezon, and houses the Museo ni Manuel Quezon, where visitors can learn about his life, leadership, and contributions to the nation. Then guys, kapag pupunta kayo dito sa Quezon City and kasama sa itinerary nyo itong mga to, make sure na nandito kayo ng earlier kasi nga 4 PM lahat ng close sa museum na nakapalibot dito sa may Quezon City Memorial Circle. So we're here na guys, travel time is 10 minutes drive away. Then ito yung package guys, so nag-day tour lang kami niya. So dun sa day tour guys, hindi naman na kayo lugi. So actually sobrang sulit na niya kasi entrance fee niya na yun. Then meron na siyang kasamang welcome drinks and then yung kakanin. Actually yung sa amin hindi siya kakanin, bilo-bilo siya and yes, masarap siya guys. So let's start exploring guys. Let's go.
Wind is blowing through our hair, the lights are shining everywhere. From up above and down below, we fall into the afterglow. So now, this is the perfect night. Tonight. Oh, oh, it's now or never. Come on, let's light up the sky. Oh, oh, now we're together. Come on, let's light up the sky. Just you and I. Let's light up the sky. Let's light up the sky. Just take my hand and we can run like tigers underneath the sun. The moon is old, the night is young, and this is where we all belong. So now, come let your soul and mind ignite. Oh, oh, it's now or never.
Okay po.
Wind is blowing through our hair, the lights are shining everywhere.
Wow, ganda.
Above and down below, we fall into the afterglow. So now, this is the perfect night. Tonight. Oh, it's now or never. Come on,
There yung view sa labas guys. Ayan. Actually kung nakikita nyo yung Las Casas ako sa may but
come on, let's light up the sky. Just you and I. Let's light up the sky.
And so, touchdown guys, Aegyo Cafe and Cake. So, dito namin ito-try mag-dinner. So, this is how their restaurant looks like or their cafes look like. So, ito yung nakikita natin madalas sa TikTok na very Korean yung style. So, ito siya. Oh, di ba ang ganda? So, para ka dyan nagmamala Korean drama ka dyan. K-drama yung peg mo dyan. Kaya lang guys, sad life. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa Scout Rallios pa din. So, mag-iikot tayo and maghahanap tayo ng next cafe. Good Pastry Cafe. So, finally nakahanap na din guys. So, this is 11 minutes walk away from Aegyo Cafe. Dito na kami magdi-dinner guys. So, let's go! Isa din to guys sa sikat na cafes here sa may Timog. So ito yung nakikita natin na trending sa may TikTok din na wala Harry Potter yung dating Harry Potter style. Especially din sa may parte ng bookshelves. Thank you Quezon City. Thank you guys for watching till the very end. So hanggang dito na lang guys. See you on the next one. So if you find this video fun and informative, please don't forget to drop me by some love, by like, share, and subscribing to my channel. Thank you guys.